Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all, I'm really beginning to feel optimistic about the stimulus package and stimulus check. I've always said that I thought we'd be getting $2,000. I'm beginning to think now it may be even more than $2,000. I know a lot of people is going to think I've lost my rocker by saying that, but think about it. The way things are going right now, all the rioting, all the burning of cities, all the destruction of everything. Did you know that they had to move President Trump down in the bunker under the White House for his safety? That's how bad it is in Washington. And Washington is under a curfew. It's getting bad. Now I know that this is not, it is not all from the pandemic. It is from the killing of Mr. Floyd. And that was just the catalyst to push good people over the edge to make them react. Now that they're reacting, cities are getting burned, buildings is getting destroyed, people's businesses is being destroyed. It's getting bad, getting very bad. But I believe that you can't make the fact that Mr. Floyd was murdered go away with money. But I believe you could relieve a lot of tensions with a stimulus package. People would have a little bit of hope that our government cares for us. Nothing's going to bring Mr. Floyd back. I just hope that justice is served for his murder. But they was talking about a $1,200 stimulus check, and then all of a sudden they was talking about no stimulus check at all. I still believe we'll get the $2,000. Now I believe we'll get more than $2,000. The urgency is here now to bring calm back. I hate saying this, but this is what we should have done in the first place. We're getting their attention. So, President Trump says better sooner than later. So, I say they need to take all of that pork fat out of the stimulus package. Forget about financing their agenda and concentrate on helping the people. They could give the people a $2, maybe a $3, hell, even a $4,000 check and get rid of all that other crap. They would still be spending a lot less money than what they are with the package the way it is right now. It would be millions, maybe even billions of dollars cheaper in the long run. And if they gave a good enough incentive for people to spend money, that would bring the economy back. That would create jobs. That would help get our nation back the way it used to be. Y'all, it won't hurt to try. They've got to do it. Or these problems that we're facing right now with the riots and the burnings and the curfews, it's just going to get worse. It's not going to stop until they help us. The only way they can help we the people is with a stimulus check. The bigger, the better. Sooner, not later. Y'all, take a stand. The ones that already are standing up to them, keep standing until we get what we want. We got to make our voices be heard. We can't let Mr. Floyd's death be in vain. You know, everybody has got a purpose in life. This could be Mr. Floyd's purpose in life. He might have been here for this, to bring the nation back together. You never know. We'll never know. But he knows. God knows, and Mr. Floyd knows now. Y'all, keep your spirits up. We're going to get through this, one way or the other. We're going to make them listen to us, one way or the other. Don't let Mr. Floyd's death be in vain. I love you all. Come back tomorrow. Ciao.